Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create the poll on the Bitrix24 website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website, and after going there, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the poll option. So let's click on the poll option, and after clicking on this, as you can see, you will be able to see the options like this. So here what we have to do, the poll option is for the premium one. For that, we need to buy this. How the poll options work, as you can see now, the announcement and the company knowledge page, these options are provided here, like the UR plan, the professional plan. These are all the provide. The example is provided here. If you want to try this, as you can see, has an option for the try 15 days free. So we have to click on this. We can also use this option for using the trial period method. You can also use that. So as you can see, here's the trial method. So what we have to do, as you can see, we have to click on the confirm. Let's click on the confirm. Activate free 15 days trial. So you have to activate that, and after that you will be able to create the poll. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create that, which is very easy to understand. So see you guys in the next video.